credit?
Ban?
No problem. Sail the high seas and high...
No. Ban? Ban? Ban?
Quality and leave your money problems at the door. Walk in today and get your dream sectional lounger, kitchen table, floor lamp, and bed frame here at Cap. Walk into this. Take your feet back and enjoy an empire of your own. For every sausage deserves a throne, and we've got one with your name on it here at Captain Carter.
Ban? Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho.
Yeah.
No.
Peter,
Yes.
marketable plushies.
Ho ho ho.
God.
Yes.
Peter, plushies.
I am placing blocks and shit.
Language.
Fucking my... For 30 minutes.
Really my line.
Bart! Oh, for fuck's sake! Carefully crack an egg and carefully crack, carefully.
Oh.